don't. Read Psalm 139:14. This morning I was having a rough time getting out of bed. My back was giving me fits. I shook my head and growled. This body is a pain. It used not to be like that. I even said once or twice, I hate it. Why was that so awful? Because the devil has a deep hatred for my flesh and blood, and all I was doing was agreeing with him. See, Satan gets a charge when I badmouth my body or myself, and he would like to get you to do the same. Why? Because your body, even underneath wrinkles and fat, and in spite of ravages of illness or old age, your body is made in the image of God. Your heart, mind, hands, feet, and head are stamped with the imprint of the Creator. There's little wonder that the devil wants you and I to be ashamed of ourselves. This morning I had to once again plug my ears against the lies of Satan and remember that I am fearfully and wonderfully made. See, I rehearsed the old familiar truth that God has a plan for this flesh and blood of mine. That's why the devil considers my body a threat. He understands that when I yield to God, my body, my heart, my mind, my hands, my feet, and my head are powerful weapons against his forces of darkness. See, the devil is only a fallen cherub. He is a deceiver. He is doomed for destruction. And until then, he has one goal in mind: your spiritual defeat. Your and my emotional malignant, and your and my physical frustration. Listen, if he tries to get you to agree with him today,